أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم إن شاء الله ما شاء الله سبحان الله. When Moses was migrating from Egypt, Pharaoh followed him, and when Moses and the children of Israel reached the Red Sea, they saw Pharaoh and his army approaching them. But Allah divided the Red Sea and made a dry path in between two walls of water. Moses with the children of Israel went to the other side. Pharaoh and his army followed them, and when they came in the midst of the sea, the two walls of water collapsed, and Pharaoh and all his army were drowned, 600 of them. Not one was left alive, including Pharaoh. The Holy Quran says in chapter Yunus number 10, verse number 90, 91 and 92. And we took the children of Israel across the sea, and Pharaoh with his host followed them in oppression and enmity, till when drowning overtook him, he said, I believe that none has the right to be worshipped but he, in whom the children of Israel believe, and I am one of the Muslims. Now you believe, while you refused to believe before, and you were one of the evildoers. So this day we shall deliver your dead body out from the sea, that you may be a sign to those who come after you. And verily many among mankind are heedless of our signs. Nobody knew that the body of Pharaoh has been preserved. The Holy Quran is the first book which informed about the preservation of Pharaoh's body, and that too 2000 years after Pharaoh was drowned. The Holy Quran declared the preservation of his body. The non-Muslims were very happy that they discovered the body of Pharaoh in Egypt, Cairo. But when they came to know that the Holy Quran mentions about the preservation of this body, they started creating confusions. Then they made one film, the 10 Commandments, in which Pharaoh sees his army drowning but himself rushes back to his palace. The Catholic Encyclopedia wrote that no verse in the Holy Bible admits that the Pharaoh was drowned. Many churches were contacted by me, but no one replied whether Pharaoh was drowned or not. Only one pastor said that kings do not go to the battlefield, but they fight from the palace. When I read the verse of the Bible which says that Pharaoh himself chased Moses and was drowned, the pastor said, yes, it is also mentioned in one more verse. There was one Bishop T. Nasir of Gujranwala. He wrote in his Urdu magazine Kalam-e-Haq that according to Illias, Suttar, since in the film 10 Commandments, Pharaoh does not drown in the Red Sea, so the verse of the Bible is wrong which says that Pharaoh was drowned. This was 100% lie, because according to me, Bible was right and the film was wrong. Some non-Muslims started saying that this Pharaoh was not drowned, but another Pharaoh was drowned. Some said still another Pharaoh was drowned. Allah knew the trick. Allah knew this trick. So the bodies of many pharaohs were preserved. According to Maurice Bucaille, the name of the drowned pharaoh was Manipta. His body was discovered in 1898. Besides bodies of his father Ramses II, grandfather Seti I and great-grandfather Ramses I are all preserved. Besides these four bodies, there are mummies of even other pharaohs. The Holy Quran says that the body of the drowned pharaoh was preserved. Whichever name the non-Muslims give, the body of that pharaoh is also preserved. Now I give you certain verses. First let us see the film, the 10 Commandments, in which Pharaoh does not drown. You see, the army is drowning. And here is Pharaoh. He is not drowning. And from here he will go back to the palace. There are two more videos in cartoon form. In these two also, Pharaoh is not drowning. The army drowns, but Pharaoh does not drown. There is one more video in which again Pharaoh is not drowning. Yes, he is again saved. In contrast to these videos made by non-Muslims, let us see what their Bible says. In Psalms 136, verse number 13, 14 and 15, the verse says, He divided the Red Sea, His love is eternal. He led His people through it, His love is eternal. But He drowned the king of Egypt and his army. He drowned the king of Egypt and his army. So clear, could not be more clear, but still I don't know why these people make this kind of videos. Trying to confuse the religion sent by God. I don't know of any verse in the Bible which says that if you lie about the Bible, you will go to heaven. Lying is no substitute for truth. Dear Christians and Jews, this was from Psalms which both of you believe in. Let us see Exodus chapter 15, verse 1 from his Scofford Reference Bible. Then sang Moses and the children of Israel this song unto the Lord, and he spake, saying, I will sing unto the Lord, for he has triumphed gloriously. The horse and his rider hath he thrown into the sea. So both the horse and the rider. And in Exodus chapter 15, verse 19, for the horse of Pharaoh went in with his chariots and with his horsemen into the sea, and the Lord brought again the waters of the sea upon them. But the children of Israel went on dry ground in the midst of the sea. When the Bible is so clear, I don't know why our Christians can make such films in which Pharaoh is not drowning. So this day I appeal to all the non-Muslims. It is very important that you speak the truth regarding the religion sent by God. For Moses was from God and Jesus was from God, and truth is always from God, and truth is what pleases God. So the Holy Quran says in chapter 5, verse 119, on the day of judgment, Allah will say, this is the day whereon the truthful will benefit from their truthfulness, Truthfulness will lead to cheerfulness. Allah Hafiz.